Okay, before we get started, let's go over some safety issues that's bound to come up by the YouTube safety experts. They'll chime in. They always do. For number one, if you have asbestos siding on your home or a building that you own, most information that you will see will say leave it alone, it's not dangerous. Encapsulate it, paint over it. Asbestos becomes dangerous when in a friable state, which means crushed up. If you go along here and you start hitting all this siding with hammer and all that, you're going to release some fibers. It really becomes dangerous when you start cutting on it with like a saw, or getting those fibers in the air. Saw, grinder, something like that. I cut this stuff. I've worked with this stuff forever and a day, seems like. If this was my house, I'd paint this. Be perfectly fine with it. So just keep that in mind. If you have to cut something, you should wear safety glasses anyway. I don't, okay, but you should. I don't most time. But you should. One of those nails come back at you, it could hurt. But and if it makes you feel better, wear an N95 mask, and you'll you should be okay. I'm not no safety expert, but I have worked around this stuff. I know, I've read the EPA, what they say about it. Basically, if you're replacing 1 or 2 tile, or under what, 160 square feet or something like that, you're okay. This stuff doesn't apply to you. But go and check out what the EPA says about it. You're okay. Anyway, other than that, that's pretty much it. So as long as you're not sitting there crushing it up with a hammer, snorting it, or sprinkling it over your eggs in the morning, you're going to be good. So anyway, get out there. These things, and as far as the replacements, I think I mentioned in the video that they're from Certainty or Owens Corning. I thought that was true, but the ones I'm finding out at Home Depot are GAF. So sorry, GAF. Don't know, I swear it was Certainty or Owens Corning before, but currently Home Depot does carry exact replacements. GAF, and they are not asbestos fiber cement this time. So, which, hey, you're cutting fiber cement with a saw, it's releasing fibers too. You need to be wearing a mask. It's not asbestos fibers, but it's still fiber. So you need to take some safety precautions. So anyway, just thought I'd throw this in here in video before we get started, because you and I both know there's going to be YouTube safety experts come, oh my gosh, you need a hazmat suit on to do that stuff. You're going to die and kill everybody in a 10-mile radius. Some stupid crap like that. So there's always somebody just, I guess, got to troll YouTube looking for safety issues. So anyway, let's get started. Well, hello gang. Today we're going to take a look at replacing asbestos asbestos siding tiles. To begin with, you're going to need a couple tools. You're going to need some end cutters. You should already have these, but if you don't, go get you some. They're going to make your life a lot better. Got these are Vice Grip, Irwin brand. I think I got those at Lowe's. Going to need some type of wood chisel or some chisel to get up under there. I have used screwdrivers in the past, but they're not as good as chisel because they don't get up under there. Then you're going to need a hammer. Couple things to keep in mind. These asbestos tiles are very brittle. Replacements, you can find replacements usually at Home Depot. You may have to order them. This is original. They had it in the barn here. So another thing you want to keep in mind before you order replacements is what kind of edge. This is a scalloped edge. I don't know if you can see it, I ain't got much room to work with here, so bear with me. This is not straight. As you can see, it's scalloped, just like these. So the one we're going to be replacing is this one, and let's get to it. You also need some nails, whether that is stainless steel, aluminum, or copper. I prefer stainless steel. Some people will use aluminum. If you take your hammer or even your side cutters and try to get this out and start prying on it, you're going to chip it. So we need to get this one out. You see they have a little, and you just have to take your time, because if you stick your chisel up under here, start prying on it, you're going to pop, you're going to break more. So now if they use the aluminum nails, you can just break the heads right off. We're trying to get this out just enough, get our end cutters on. There. And you're going to want to pull straight out, just like that. That nail's pretty good. I may save that one. I hope you're getting all this on camera, because like I said, it's now that did pretty, that gave way. Now back. And like I said, if you start prying on this or this, you're going to break your, now if your tile's already broke, that's fine, but your new ones, you're going to break them if you do that. Then sorry about that, guys. Let's see if I'm still in the right spot now. The replacements, it's been so long since I bought them. Yeah, we're right in here someplace. Yeah, okay. Replacements, I believe, for this size, I want to say they were 20 bucks a piece. They more or less something. It's been so long since I looked at them. And we got one more nail down here. If you have to, scrape all the old paint. Take your side cutters. That is in there tough. Can't do that. Like I say, if you got, yeah, it's really tough. Sometimes you can just go cut the heads off. Worry about it after you get it out. Now you're going to have to take these. Now this is loose, but we got to take these loose as well. Ooh, it's going way too easy. I'm prying just a little bit like this. I don't know if you can see me or not. So this is a real tight working area. Just have a little bit of give. And still tough. Just take your time, or you'll be placing more than one. There it comes. This is already sticking out. Let's see, is that it? I believe that's it. Now let's see if we can, yep. You can see these go up under there just a little ways. What I find interesting is that wasn't even nailed, but they have to be up under there for water to overrun. Now, again, before you put this on, check and see where your scallop is. This is the bottom. This is the top. This is the bottom. See, you don't want to go up so high. You don't want to go up so high that when you nail back in, you'll hit that or you'll crack it. So be very careful. Oh yeah, we got to take care of that nail we cut off. Yeah, let's get our other one in place. Down there, there we go. And your old one, if they painted it, will tell you how far to come down. Okay. Put this in. Be careful when you nail it, or you'll crack it and you'll be replacing others. Don't ask me how I know. Oh, come on, man. There you go. That's about where it was on the old one. Get a nail right in the middle. These should already have holes in them. Like that. Really, they're simple. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I gotta go truck and get one nail for that, but that's all you do. That's how you replace asbestos siding tiles. Easy, some of the easiest things to do. Here's a loose nail right here. Just got to be really, really careful when you do it. So, like and subscribe down below. You get all your tools. This is how you want to replace broke siding tiles. So anyway, next time, like and subscribe and share it with your friends on social media. Donald, Blue Collar DIY, we're out.